Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled LangChain Fundamentals. Orchestrating LLMs for complex tasks. Imagine AI as teaching a computer to think or act like a human. Specifically, we're talking about large language models, LLMs, like a super smart text generator. Think of them as digital brains trained on a massive amount of text from the internet, books, articles, conversations. This training allows them to understand, generate, and even translate human language with incredible accuracy, making them powerful tools for tasks like writing emails, answering questions, or summarizing documents. LLMs are amazing at focused tasks, like generating a funny poem or explaining a complex topic. You give it one instruction, and it performs that one instruction brilliantly. But what if you have a more complex request? Like, find today's weather in London, then suggest an outfit, and finally draft an email to my friend telling them about my plans? An LLM by itself often struggles with these multi-step decision-making scenarios. It's like having a brilliant specialist who's great at their single job, but needs a manager to coordinate multiple tasks. This is where LangChain comes in. Think of LangChain not as another LLM, but as a conductor for your AI orchestra, or a project manager for your digital team. It's a framework, a set of tools and rules for developers that helps you take multiple LLMs, other AI tools, like a search engine or a calculator, and even your own code, and make them work together in a sequence. LangChain orchestrates these different pieces to tackle complex problems that a single LLM couldn't handle alone. In LangChain, a chain is like a recipe or a workflow. It defines a sequence of steps. Imagine you want to summarize a document and then ask questions about that summary. A chain allows you to say, Step 1. Send the document to an LLM to summarize it. Step 2. Take that summary and send it to the asterisk same or a different asterisk LLM with a new question. Each step can involve an LLM call, a data processing step, or even calling another tool. It's about building a multi-stage process for your AI application. A prompt is simply the instruction or question you give to an LLM. It's how you communicate with it. A prompt template takes this a step further. It's a blueprint for your prompts. Instead of writing the full instruction every time, you create a template with placeholders that you fill in dynamically. For example, a weather prompt template might be, what is the weather in city on date? Single quote. This ensures consistency, makes your code cleaner, and allows you to easily adapt your AI's behavior by just changing the input variables. This is where LangChain gets really powerful. An agent is like an intelligent assistant that doesn't just follow a fixed chain of steps, but can actually decide what to do next based on your ultimate goal. It has access to different tools, like a web search, a calculator, or a database query, and uses an LLM to reason. Given the user's request, which tool should I use now? What's the next logical step? It can dynamically choose the best path forward, making your AI applications much more flexible and capable of handling open-ended requests. As a developer, LangChain empowers you to move beyond simple LLM interactions. It abstracts away much of the complexity of integrating multiple AI components and external tools, letting you focus on building sophisticated, intelligent applications. You're not just asking an LLM a question. You're building an AI system that can reason, plan, and execute multi-step tasks. It dramatically speeds up development for complex AI solutions, allowing you to create smarter, more capable applications with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.